Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the Rolanstar Standing Desk L Shaped. It's a LED light, power outlet, USB. It's a height adjustable desk where you can sit or stand, either one. You can see it right here in the video. It's carbon fiber. It's beautiful. Looks incredible. It's got memory positions where you can set it to sit or stand. The price is right. We're going to take a look at some of the features, see what you guys think. I think it might be just what you were looking for. You can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing position with a powerful dual motor system. The desk offers a smooth height adjustment from 28.3 to 45.7 inches. I'm 6 foot and I have no problem comfortably standing with this thing. Just make sure you got a little extra room, you know what I'm saying? I got some details coming up for you in just a second. We'll cover more of this for you. Take a look at that beautiful top.
I can tell you meant that.
Built-in power outlets, you can stay connected with them. Featuring a power strip, has 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 Type-C charging port. Charge all your devices directly from your desk without the hassle of tangled cords. LED lighting enhances your workspace ambiance with the RGB LED light included with the desk. You can choose from 12 scene modes to match your mood or preference, all controlled with the remote that's included with it. Ergonomic design, the desk features a full monitor stand that promotes ergonomic eye-level view, encouraging healthy sitting postures. Also has a built-in hook for convenient storage of headphone accessories. You can see right there in the photo. Users love the standing desk because it's versatile and it's easy to use. The electric height adjustment is smooth and quiet. It barely makes any noise, you heard it in the video, allowing for seamless transitions between sitting and standing. Built-in power outlets, LED lights, add convenience and style to any workspace. The ergonomic design helps reduce strain and improve posture, make long hours of the desk more comfortable. Value for your money, it's $250. It's a little high for some people, but really you get what you pay for, and it's carbon fiber, man. This thing's gorgeous. Look at that. Everything's easy to reach.
Yep.
It's an exceptional value, I think, in my opinion. I bought this back January 22nd of 2025. You can see it right there. I've been having no problems at all with this thing. It was really easy to put together. It was pretty fast. It's well made. It's very strong. It's considered a top choice by anyone looking to upgrade their home office setup. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and feature-packed standing desk, this is the one.
No, wait, let me say something.
I do not get paid to do this review. You can see right there I bought it myself. I just wanted to share this with you guys because, you know, sometimes you just got to upgrade, you know what I mean? And you can't always just sit at your desk. Sometimes it's nice to stand for a little while. And going between the two and having better posture, that's just a bonus.
You want to come?
Yeah.
Hi, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully it saved you a buck or two. Hey, for more great budget tech videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click those boxes above if you want to see more good deals like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.